Rasmus, is there a gate between you and that bear?
No, there's nothing stopping it. Road trip to a mountain and a waterfall. Yes. I have no idea what to expect. Either do I. Yeah.
Epic
I'm
shit.
excited as shit. I can't wait.
That will be lit. Am I allowed to use that word?
No.
I feel like I can't use it on Instagram because it's like, I feel like I'd just be like an imposter. So I don't really like saying it.
You're a poser, bro.
Yeah. Even when I use the emoji lit, I feel like I'm gonna get in trouble from your followers.
Yeah, use the fire emoji.
Yeah, no, like.
Alright, it's all good. Maybe I'll just steal the Black Santa.
Truth be told, I like when you say lit. Yeah, same. I like it.
Yeah.
It makes me.
Okay, lit fam. Let's keep this show on the road. That's where it all began. The sales video.
The creation of the blueprint.
Creation of the blueprint in that blue building.
You gotta buy it one day. Yes.
Yes. Rename it. The Blueprint Building.
Just as a small real estate investment.
Small.
Chase the bear.
It's a legit
Any
bear.
smart person would do chase the bear.
Yeah, chase the bear. Who chased the baby bear? Where's Mama?
Yeah. We're doing this. Oh shit, there it is. Oh god. Oh, what if it eats us?
Rasmus, is there a gate between you and that bear?
No, there's nothing stopping it.
Hey, yeah, back up. There's a cub over there. You can't get in between those cubs and the mother.
Oh shit, oh wow.
No, because then it'll just fucking come at you. And there ain't no stopping it. Holy shit.
Slam jam. Here we are.
Here we are.
Back again, top of the mountain. How did we get here?
How did we get here?
Just happened.
Things just happened. Hopefully it's not cartel pulling up.
Okay.
We're gonna have a turf war.
Yeah, turf war.
I'm ready.
Where are the cartel? We're much bigger than these little Mexicans. Okay. Yeah, we are. All right, topic. What is it? Facts.
All right.
I have no idea what we're gonna talk about.
So here's what I want to talk about today. The importance of building friendships and relationships when you're building an online business.
Oh yes, crazy.
Boys, I consider you, like I said, you my niggas.
Oh yes, and it's on camera now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's on camera. It's official.
Yeah.
All right. We got people fucking laughing their ass off right now. All right.
Yeah.
All right. How important is it? Because, you know, if you watch some of our other videos, we've talked. It's a lonely life building an online business.
Mm-hmm.
How important is it to go out and connect with people, message them on Facebook, talk to them on a regular basis, really put the effort in to try to build relationships, which could turn into friendships, like what we've done over the last little bit. How important is that? What are your thoughts?
I mean, first of all, it's massively important. That's obviously why we're making this video, because it's massively important. Now, there's relationship building with what do we call it? Business partners? That's not the right word.
No.
But
like
whatever we are. Yeah. And then also building relationships with customers, which I don't know if that's what you're talking about.
No, let's talk about
with
like
each
I'm
other.
thinking, with other self-publishers, with other people who are maybe FBA or just they're building an online business and just other like-minded people.
I literally think you can learn more from each other than you can from a course.
100%.
Like
100%.
The real life experience that like these people have actually building their businesses.
Yeah.
Like I did this and it actually grew my business.
Yeah.
And that's what you can learn from you have a head full of experiences. Rasmus has a head full of experiences and you can share them with us.
I love that.
Yeah. That was actually just an excuse to touch your head.
That's what I said. I love that.
But,
you can see we're close now.
Yeah, we can do things like that.
Yeah.
But no, relationship building, we've always said it, is like one of, if not the most important thing that we really try to get out of everything we do. Like that's why we went to Cancun.
Right.
To build relationships. That's the reason. It wasn't to listen to you talk about your PIN program. It's a whole other subject, which is the greatest thing ever.
Are you happy with the pimps?
Oh my god. Yes.
Guys.
I'm the pimp. He's my. Yep. That's not the point. But he's the pimp of our business.
Yeah.
That's
that was the idea.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So
love that.
Okay.
Yes.
Anyways, John Maxwell talks about find people who are a level above you.
Mm-hmm.
find people who are a level below you.
Okay.
Help bring them up and learn from the people above you. When I think about like the mastermind that I started with Ollie and Jacob, and it was just our publishing, and Ollie was kicking my ass. I had 31 books, he had like 32. He was doing $10,000 a month. I was doing like 3. And I'm like, okay, well, what the fuck? You took my course, right? And
Only
so
Ollie could do that.
only Ollie
but
could do
anyway.
that. So I reached out to him, and eventually I ended up having weekly calls with him. He was somebody who was above me, who clearly knew more or just knew different things that were
Had
working.
better results.
Who was getting better results, and so I wanted to connect with him. And you know, at the time, Jacob was on his way up, and so he was somebody I could work with and bring up as well. And so we've had weekly calls since February.
That's
Like
crazy.
every single Tuesday morning.
This is news
we've
to
had
me.
calls.
And I'm a
Oh,
little jealous.
no, I knew that, but
Yeah.
that's something we've never done. Is something like that.
Really?
Yeah, no,
Oh
we've never
man,
done
like
mastermind
that's the
calls.
reason I do 10K a month now in publishing, is because of those weekly mastermind calls.
Wow.
Like more people don't do that, because the first thing I did, if you picked up the recording for the Cancun mastermind, I talk about this in the bonus video, which is beyond epic. That the first thing I did was like, Ollie, here's my KDP account, here's all the books. What am I doing wrong? And he's like, oh, bro, you're this area, you're totally messing this up.
Right.
And I fixed it, adjusted it, still started going up. Within 3 months, I had my first $10,000 month.
And the reason he did that for you is because you guys were friends. You built a relationship. That's
You
why he
just,
did
you
that
didn't
for
just do that for anyone.
No, exactly.
No,
It's
not at
because
all.
you built a relationship with him.
And you mentioned the mastermind thing. That's something we've started now with. I just remembered it with Marco and Ollie. But it's not about publishing. It's about building the business beyond publishing.
Yes.
And it's been so
Where's my
fucking
invite?
huge.
Yeah.
Like
Where's my invite?
this is awkward.
This is awkward.
So, but yeah, no, that's the whole idea. Like that's why we're going to Vid Summit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes.
It's not
like-
it's not to watch the fucking messages. It's maybe
Yeah.
Gary's.
Oh,
message.
Gary's message.
Gary's
He's,
message
he's
as
the only
well.
one I care
And
about.
eat lunch with him.
But yeah,
Yeah.
right. And but it's to go and connect with other people and find out all that information in their brain, those experiences they've gone through, to help speed up our learning curve.
The crazy thing is, like, this is such a big part of business that is not ever spoken or said in any course you'll ever buy.
Yeah.
Never.
Never.
Because it's not sexy.
Yeah.
Because courses need to be sexy to
Mhm.
sell.
Uh-huh.
Like Cancun.
Right.
When did all the light bulb moments, all the aha moments, when did all of that stuff
Off
happen?
stage.
Off stage.
in the pool.
In the pool.
In the fucking pool.
Right
Yeah.
in the
Honestly,
pool,
at,
in the
at
bar.
The pool,
3 shots deep.
Right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
like,
3,
yeah.
4, 5, 6 shots.
What am I
deep.
saying?
All of
Yeah.
that's when all the magic happened.
Mm-hmm.
But if my sales page was like, come to Cancun, okay, take some shots at the pool bar, we're going to transform your business, we're going to transform your life,
Like
nobody would have showed up,
right?
because
Like, 'cause,
that
like, that's
doesn't
not
that
gonna
doesn't
transform
sell.
your business because
right?
you don't know.
Because you don't know. They don't understand that. But the people who'd been to conferences before, like me and D1 talked about that. He's like, so you understand all the transformational stuff.
It depends what you're marketing it for.
Right. All the
So-
transformational stuff happens outside of the event. It happens in the hotel rooms. It happens in the pool, those side conversations.
Right.
So there's what you can learn from each other, and then there's just the support you can get from each other, which
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
one. I mean, many people don't have it all, and we're
Mhm.
super, 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 super lucky to have each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I just know how important that is.
Yeah.
Mm.
Really.
Love it. I love it. Sweet.
Sweet.
To relationship building, I wish we had shots of tequila. We could end
Well,
this video.
you know what?
on.
Why don't we just?
Wait, what?
I'm thirsty, so,
So am
we'll
I.
just go find a little tequila shot.
And
You know what? I gotta fucking. We'll be right back.
all right, we found our bar. Traditional Mexican bar.
My thing is pull over.
Yeah. Get some tequila, B. Alright. One sec. Can you hold this for a sec?
Are you sure? Sunburned?
No, I'm good.
I thought you were being like Jacob, a little sensitive.
Oh, you got it the right way. I don't do all that. I'm just doing it just because.
Can you lick me? I'm dry. Okay. Hey, let's toast.
Toast to relationships.
Yeah. Is that what we were talking about?
Yeah, I think so. I think that's why we're doing this. Alright, fuck it. Wow, that was not bad. I don't need a chase.
Bro, this ain't the cheap shit like they do at the resort, right?
That's smooth and delicious.
It's so smooth. Yeah.
Can we,
3 miles.
Yeah. 3 more, please. Hello. You have to drive.
Yeah, I'll be good.
Just don't get pulled over again. Then we're fine. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, I'll be honest. I feel amazing. I feel amazing. I'm red.
I second that.
So popular video, relationships.
So this was the relationship video,
Look,
right?
definitely. Look at what the fuck we're doing right now. We're just like shooting that serious. We're just having fun. This is work. These are business right now. Business right now.
I can't believe Ollie decided to go back to Thailand so early. Jacob decided to go back to the. He quit his job. We should be here. Respect.
No, it's
You guys have taken care of my.
It's only because we owe you so much.
They've taken care of my donuts and now my shots.
And then you've only taken care of car rental, every dinner we've been to, everything.
I like the trip like that story.
Yeah. Anyone that visits us,
Relationship building. Hey, muchas gracias. All right. Go take a look at something. All right, let's go take a look at something, huh?
Oh,
Holy damn! We might need to do some more shots. Oh.
I'm fucking amazed by this. I'm blown away with it. It's been a little, like, one thing is the time.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Waterfalls there. Can you see the waterfalls? Probably not. But they're there.
Can you see that, guys?
So I think, fuck. This part 2 of the video, we're not so much going to be talking, but it's just showing relationship building, what the fuck this shit looks like. Yeah. Okay. Wow, what a, like...
All right, we'll figure this out and we'll be right back.
3 hours later.
All right, so we don't know where we left off. Well, you give the commentary.
So is this the same video?
Yeah, I'm just gonna this one inspirational video turned into a mini vlog.
Okay, right. Montage. So in the moment, it seems like a fantastic idea to make do some more tequila shots and then film a video, but whether it like turns into anything. This is a few hours later, and I guess we need more tequila.
Hey, we haven't been drinking for the entire time, though.
Right.
That's what it sounds like. No, we haven't.
We have, but
well, not really. Well,
I've had
we've had a
4
few beers.
That doesn't count. I have no idea when to stop. Like, when is it a shot?
That's like shot.
That's a shot. Okay.
These glasses are actually much bigger. Okay, look, I can fit the GoPro in there.
Basically.
Okay. So we are here. Explain what we're doing.
Well, we're gonna continue the video that we left off at. I don't remember the end of it.
Me neither.
Okay, well that's fine then.
We're at my cousin's 14th birthday party with family.
Oh, there he is. Birthday boy. There he is.
Here. I'm gonna kill him. Hey, come do a shot. It's your birthday.
All right.
Yeah. I think we covered everything we did. It was already a bomb-ass video. Oh, hello.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches, Papi.
Bien, muy bien.
I call him Papi and Mommy.
Yes. Okay. Good.
Mom and Dad. Yeah, sure, of course.
My mom didn't
Bro,
let me.
your mom didn't give you. Say, Emeka wants 2 more shot glasses. Use your head. He hasn't tried anything. He's like.
I don't like a
More of a, he's more of a virgin than an unborn child.
Right now.
Oh, nice. Have you tried beer before?
No.
No, never. Oh, this is a big deal then. This is a big deal. Salud.
For Benisadio's birthday.
Yeah.
For all the pee that shall come his way.
Oh, I don't know what that means. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I want to see his face, man.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. He's ready.
We're spitballing. We're going. We're recording.
Okay.
This is already on YouTube.
Okay.
All right.
It's live.
Shut up. Phil's doing a live stream.
Oh. Can we live stream?
Should we just live stream
live
us making a video?
No.
Right? Should we just do that?
They want to see the behind the scenes.
Right? They want to see behind the scenes. Should we just give them behind the scenes?
Yeah.